Grazie. Connor and I are going to a cooking class. So exciting.
Yeah, it was outside. I would put my sunglasses.
Apparently we're taking a van. So exciting. I don't think it is.
Before we start, just behind this wall at the very end there is a restaurant.
Are you ready?
I'm hungry. That's what I am.
Tiramisu. It's actually not very old, as Italian dessert has been around since the 1960s and is coming from the north part of Italy. You're a natural. Yeah. No butter.
You're still no cream.
What we use is, okay, we get 2 eggs, crack them on the side here, open the egg. Stretch and fold. All right?
Yeah, but my steak.
Okay guys, so we're gonna make it one piece flat and round.
You see, my camera's gonna be so dirty.
I'm gonna have to go across.
You do it twice?
No, I just did it once before.
Yeah, it's okay. Mine goes off.
Is it working?
I just grab it.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm not.
You got it all? No?
So with this one, we do exactly the same thing. We make it flat. 5 and 4, only once. See them. Don't go through the door, eh? Just very gentle so you can see the circle. Only 5 and only one piece.
The lighting's better this way.
Gluten.
Right here. One of mine got the flavor.
Damn. What is in there? Oh, it came out.
Yeah. I love Parmesan, so. It tastes good.
I didn't put enough.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
Yeah, it's not bad. I don't know what it is.
I don't think I made that much.
Michael, Georgia.
I saw a nod.
Is it possible for my Yeah, that's gonna be times 2. This is all from Lebanon. Is there anything left in there? No.
But not like just like icy fast.
Where's my biscuit? Oh. That biscuit's mad cold. That's so cool. That's it. So I don't think he's gonna. I'm gonna sneeze.
Pineapples, peaches.
Okay, ready?
Let's see. Let's see.
Thanks, babe. Ready? Come on.
He's not doing a toast, right?
No, they're not doing it in toast. Just take it. Cheers. I'm gonna gag. What?
Sip it.
What?
What are you doing? You're supposed to like enjoy it.
I don't enjoy this. I don't enjoy alcohol.
What? Yeah, I know, it's delicious. Oh, this is way better than the one at I mean, like, look how little there is. It's such a big commitment. It's a whole citronella. Yeah, it's way better than the one at the airport.